Guys, in today's Python DSA video, this video is about the summary and exercises. I am giving you like this. Our lesson 2, lesson 3 has been easily ended, very easily as lesson 3 has been ended. So here you can see it. From the next video we are uploading our another lesson 3, okay. But now let's move to the computer screen and let me give you the summary and exercise. So please like this video, share, friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. So now let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video Python DSA, I am telling you about the summary and exercise. So let's know about that. So our this chapter has been successfully ending. End of this chapter is our last video of this chapter, okay. So now we covered the following sorting algorithm in this tutorial: bubble sort, insert and sort, merge sort, and quick sort. Therefore we cover the following sort algorithm in this tutorial. There are several other sorting algorithms, okay, and most languages provide library functions for sorting that, okay, like Python provides its library like pandas, numpy, okay. Use a hybrid approach depending on the size and type of elements. In the list or array, try out some problems on sorting and divide and conquer here, okay, like this one. Links here, you can see it. Okay, here you can see it. So here you can see this very small video, because this video is about, like, I am just giving you like a one ending. Means this chapter has been successfully ended by the name of sorting and divide and conquer algorithm, okay. This chapter has been ended. This chapter is very beautiful chapter. So now from the next video we are starting our assignment 3. What? Assignment 3. And let me told you what is the name of our assignment 3. Let me told you. Our now next chapter is by the name assignment. Assignment is recursion, memoization, and dynamic programming. This is our now next lesson, next assignment. So here you can see. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell. So I meet you next class, next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.